As I reflect upon the leadership project this month, our last project of month 11, I have really enjoyed doing this project. In fact, it was something that I wanted to get done anyway, is setting up the presentation. When I saw that we needed to, in month 12, be looking for a venue for our research to either publish a paper or do a presentation, right away I knew I wanted to do a presentation. And so therefore I was going to need to plan a presentation to give. And also, Margaret and I have been talking about doing some things, the possibilities of doing some online presentations. And so I felt that this was going to be needed anyway. So the idea of it being an assignment was perfect because it got me going, and I've really enjoyed doing it. The reason is I enjoy doing it as a project anyway, and actually the way I started it was I started out by writing the paper, and from that I was able to do a lot of seeing what I needed to do in sequence in an actual presentation. And I chose Keynote because I enjoy that programming and it's easier to work with. So then I laid out my strategy for my plan of what would it be like. I have spoken at a number of conferences over the years, and what would it be like to plan out and sell my research? Sell what was it about? Why is it important? Why should everyone begin to change the way they do these things? And of course, my question is dealing with um, improving my instructional communication using technology. So that was what I first started out with, and there's some great material online through Ian Jukes that he is a major tech ed educational speaker on these subjects, an internationally known one, and he had some great material available to use. That gave me a lot of the statistics, and of course, with today, with all the brain research going on and all the breakthroughs in just the last few years there, that was ideal to set up what, why my research was important. And then from there, I brought in the graphs that I had made that are on my Action Research website from all the surveys I've taken with my students from the Cycle 1 and Cycle 2, and laid those out and talked about those, basically using notes from my paper that I'd already written, and then concluding with the challenge in the end of how and why a person should change and some ideas there. Now, the neat thing as we continue to look, and as I looked in this um, project, I've realized there are a number of other things I could do. I could do a cycle 3 very easily, and I already am incorporating some of the new ideas. I have as many ideas now as I actually used in my research of different tools to improve communication within the classroom. And I'm trying some of them out now. If I have time before the year's out, I'll try them all. And then next year, I will incorporate them into my classroom along with the other things I've already incorporated. So, looking back on this whole research and this project, this is exciting. And I'm very comfortable and happy of the way my project has been completed. I will continue to look to tweak it and look forward to next week some comments from fellow students and what they see and maybe what I could change and make it even a better project. Thank you.